Alright, picture this. Fog rolling across the table, strange mist swirling in a glass. That's dry ice in action. But how is dry ice actually made? First up, we start with carbon dioxide gas. That's the same stuff you exhale and what's in fizzy drinks. Industrially, CO2 is often captured from factories or chemical processes. It arrives as a gas, colorless, invisible, but under the right conditions, it's about to get a serious makeover. To make dry ice, the CO2 gas is first compressed. Imagine squeezing air into a tiny space. The pressure shoots up. Next, the compressed gas is cooled down. Lower the temperature enough, and the CO2 turns into a liquid, like water vapor condensing on a cold soda can. At this stage, it's liquid CO2, still under high pressure and super chilly. Now comes the transformation. The liquid CO2 is released through a special nozzle into a lower pressure environment. The rapid drop in pressure causes the liquid to instantly expand and freeze. Instead of turning into a liquid puddle, it skips straight to a solid. This is called deposition. And there you have it, solid CO2, better known as dry ice. At this point, it looks like fluffy white snow. But to make it useful, the dry ice is collected and packed together. Machines press it into pellets, which look kind of like little marshmallows, or into big blocks for shipping and storage. What's wild is that dry ice doesn't melt into a liquid. Instead, it goes straight from solid to gas, a process called sublimation. That's why you see all that amazing fog when it's dropped into water. So, next time you see dry ice at a party or in a science experiment, you'll know it started out as plain old carbon dioxide gas, compressed, cooled, and transformed by a bit of science magic. And remember, dry ice is super cold, like minus 78 degrees Celsius. Always handle it with gloves and good ventilation. Stay curious and stay safe.